Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this super simple and low cost 360-degree rotating display stand at home using just a few parts and a 3D printer. I'm using a half DC geared motor 10 RPM with a clamp, which I'll link in the description, and to power it I used a female DC power connector. Again, link is below. For wiring, it's really simple. I took the black wire from the motor and screwed it into the negative side of the DC connector, and the red wire goes to the positive side. That's it, just screw them in tight. Now let's talk about the 3D printed parts. I printed two pieces: the white circular plate, this is the top platform where we place the item, and the cylindrical base, which acts like a stand and houses the motor and connector. I made a small rectangular hole in the base so I could push the DC connector inside and glue it securely. That way I can just plug the adapter in from outside. After printing everything, and I tested it first without glue, inserted the motor head into the top plate and it started rotating perfectly. Once I confirmed it works, I placed the motor and the DC connector inside the cylindrical base and glued everything using a hot glue gun. Make sure it's tightly fixed. Then I plugged in my Hot V2A power adapter and it started rotating smoothly. Yes, the top plate is a little sloped. That was my mistake while gluing. You can fix it by adjusting the glue evenly. I even tested it with a heavy humidifier on top and it still rotated perfectly without any issue. So yeah, it works. This entire project cost me just around $4 and it's actually fun to build. If you're into DDI, 3D print, or making cool display setups, this one's worth trying. Drop a like if you found this helpful, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more budget tech builds like this.